So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. I am here at Visakhapatnam and I just want to share you some of the information regarding the charging stations here at the Ather Grid. Most of the people think that Ather Grid is only for the Ather electric scooter, but actually you can charge Ather electric scooter and a normal electric two-wheeler simultaneously. I will show you how to charge an normal electric two-wheeler at the Ather charging grid. So in the live you can see right now the Ather electric scooter is also charging, and also one more electric scooter with me. This is a Cosbike electric scooter. Just for review I took the electric scooter. First thing I would like to show you, this is the 3-pin plug. So at the 3-pin plug you can charge any electric vehicle. It can be electric two-wheeler, electric auto rickshaw, even an electric car also you can charge at this 3-pin plug point. Whereas this particular point is only suitable for Ather electric scooter. Now I just want to show you about this normal two-wheeler charging at Ather Grid. To use this Ather Grid charging, you need to install this Ather Grid application. Then you need to log in with your Google account. Once you log in, you can have the nearest locations of the charging points. Right now I am here at the Vizag Drive-In location, located at this Beach Road, Lawson Bay Colony. So here I am going to charge this normal electric two-wheeler. So to do that, you need to scan this QR code. Once you're done with this scanning, then you can plug this 3-pin plug here. So this is a normal 3-pin plug for normal slow charging electric two-wheelers. But most of the people not aware of this thing. Most of the think that this Ather point is only suitable for Ather electric scooters. But if you open this black color lid, you can find this 3-pin plug point that is compatible for any electric two-wheeler, 3-wheelers, or even an electric car also with a slow charger. So once you connect that, then it will ask you to start the charging. You can see that tariff plans like 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1.5 hours, 2 hours, and 2.5 hours. Right now Ather is providing free charging, so it is free of cost for you. I am just selecting this 30-minute charge and I am going to charge this vehicle. Once you connect your 3-pin plug and you need to press the start charging button, then you can see that the green light is blinking, and it is an indication that your battery started charging. And in our previous charging station business video, we already mentioned that Ather is using its unique charging point. That charging point is compatible only with Ather electric scooters. For example, if you see the Type 2 connector, the first portion consists of 2 pins and next portion consists of 3 pins, whereas the last portion consists of 2 pins, whereas this Ather connector having the last row as 4 pins. So this is a kind of strategy is using by Ather Energy, where their chargers are compatible with only Ather electric scooters, whereas this 3-pin plug is compatible with any electric two-wheelers, any electric 3-wheeler, and any electric car. And we already mentioned that Ather is having its own charging station business plan. That is one of the reasons they recently announced that they are going to launch their connectors for other electric vehicles for compatibility. For example, if an electric car has to be charged here, so they need a CCS Type 2 connector, and also sometimes a Type 2 connector. So those can be compatible with these Ather connectors. Maybe soon, within couple of months, they may announce this connector plan also, and that is one of the action plans from Ather Energy. But one thing is for sure, if you are living in any city like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Vizag, any of the cities where Ather Energy showrooms are available, definitely install this Ather Grid app. Maybe in your emergency cases, you can use these charging stations and you can charge and go on the way. It will take around 4 hours of charging time. So that's the complete story of Ather Energy's charging grid. It is compatible for your electric two-wheelers, not only for Ather electric scooters, but also for normal electric two-wheelers also. It is compatible. Come and charge here. This is a charging station network. Use this as a charging station network for you. For genuine information about electric vehicles, please do subscribe to Electric Vehicle channel. For fast updates, please do follow website, Facebook page, and Telegram group. Go green, go electric.